Hi, Sally Hancock here with a paperclip tutorial. I'm going to show you how I put together these cute little kitties, one with the ball of yarn and one with the mouse. And this is for my Facebook group that I'm in, the Paperclip Art. There is a monthly challenge with a theme, and this month's, well, March's theme is pets. I love kitties. I don't have any right now, but I still love them. So I'll put the link for the group below, and I'll show you how I put these together. Maybe zoom in just a little bit. Okay, I cut these images out on my Cricut. I cut one for a top layer. It just comes with 2 layers like this, but I cut 2 more to go to sandwich with the paperclip, and then I also cut a layer out of foam. So there'll be quite a few layers. Now, I don't know if you can see, but it cuts out a little face, but it didn't cut very good because it's so tiny. So I tried cutting out the nose. It cuts out a little nose out of pink, but that didn't work very good, so I just used a marker to draw it in. So first thing, we're going to glue the gray piece onto this first back. Let's see if I can do this without getting glue all over me. Nope. Can't do it without getting glue all over me. Okay, so I like this glue. I got it from Hobby Lobby. And the pin did get stuck, but I like the glue. It dries clear and it gives you time to wiggle, but oh, not much. He's a little crooked on there. I think it'll be okay. Maybe I could trim it with the scissors. Anyway, so the pin did get stuck, but this yellow part you can twist off. So I just soaked it in some water and then the pin came out. So I like this glue. It's Lake City Craft Company. I got it at Hobby Lobby in the quilling, paper quilling section. Okay, so now I have these glued together. I am going to glue together these 2 pieces that form the back. Now, on my Cricut, I cut this foam out, but it didn't cut very good. Like, it cut through, but not quite all the way. So, it's kind of hard to get apart, but I'll get this foam ready to go, and then we'll apply it to this back piece. Okay, so now I will just glue this piece of foam right on top of this back piece. But I think I'll leave, this is where I want to put the paper clip, so I think I won't put glue there. This is sticky back foam, but it's not extremely sticky. And putting the glue on also gives me a chance to move it around, makes it a little more slippery. Okay, so now I will put the paper clip, let's see where I want it for sure. Kind of right there should be good. So maybe right in between the back legs. Now I learned this technique from Lollipalooza. Actually, I don't want to cut it just yet. going to use this pokey tool, the end that's flat, and just kind of make a mark where I want it. And so Lollapalooza, I learned to put foam in between because the paper clip is fat. And if you just put it just between like 2 layers of paper, then you'll have this big bump where the paper clip is. Where if you use the foam, it gives it, and then cut out a little notch where the paper clip goes, then it has some, it won't have that bump where the paper clip is. So I'm just going to cut that. I'll take this piece off and then cut where the paper clip goes and then put that little leg back on. If I can see. There we go. Put a little bit more glue right there. Oh, I forgot to put my pin in. You're supposed to put it in immediately. Don't want that tip to get clogged. Ouch. Ugh. Okay. Glue that little leg back on. Okay, now we have a little channel for our paper clip. And you want to use some really strong glue to do paper clips. So I'm using this Loctite Crafters Indoor Safe Adhesive. So I'm just going to squirt a little bit on my piece of parchment paper here. And then use a toothpick to put quite a bit of glue in that channel there. This glue does dry clear, but it can leave some globby looking stuff, so you want to kind of wipe off any excess. Put some more on top of the paper clip and then just spread some on the top of the foam here as well. Might be a little bit too much in some spots. Kind of try to even that out. Now we'll put our top on here. Okay, maybe I'll adjust that paper clip a little bit. And oh, I don't know if you can see very good. And there's that. This cut file had the kitty playing with the butterfly, so that's what that is, and I'll just leave that there to help attach the baker's twine so that it looks like a ball of yarn. Now, this one with the little mouse is pretty much done the same way. So I'll assemble that and then come back to show you how I decorated them. Okay, so this glue is supposed to sit undisturbed for 2 hours, but I'll just be careful here. Let me zoom you in a bit because these are so tiny. Okay, so let's do this one first. So I just used my little ancient Zig pen to draw the little nose. Just a little triangle and colored it in. Actually, I did that on both of them, so I might as well do them both at once. Okay, then I use this fine point Sharpie pen just to do the eyes. It's like I say, they didn't cut out very good. Kind of outline. Oh, I did not do the mouth on the other. I don't think I like that. It looks like he has a mustache. And this is like a collar area, so I don't think I'll do the mouth on this guy. Okay. So for this one, it has this little mouse, which I cut out of brown paper. It is adorable. Look how tiny. It's so cute. So we'll just glue that on. Oops. Here's my quick stick from We Are Memory Keepers. So adorable. And then I thought to add some interest to that, I would put on some glossy accents. And when I did the other one, it had a lot of bubbles. So I think, plus it is clogged. So I will use my pin from my other glue to get that unglued. And then I think I remember hearing if you squirt some out onto the paper, then maybe it doesn't have so many bubbles. I don't know, that is not coming out. I'll fix this and be right back. Okay, I could not get my glossy accents to work, so I got out my clear Wink of Stella. Now if you've never used Wink of Stella, there is this little collar. Take that off before you use it, and then let's see, there we go. And then where it says push, you just push a little bit, get it going. Oops. But do it on another paper, because a lot can come out at first. So we'll just give this mouse a little bit of Wink of Stella, so it's a little bit shiny. We'll do it on the kitty's nose too. And this kitty's nose. There we go. Okay, so now this little guy is done. So let's do our little ball of yarn here. So I got some pink baker's twine. And I just got a toothpick and just rolled it around the toothpick. Kind of make it kind of roll up into a ball kind of shape. I don't want a big one because I don't want it too big. And then I just kind of twisted it around the other way, kind of like that. Then I used Fabri-Tac, which I suppose I should have opened before I did that. Actually, ooh, we're oozing. We're oozing. Okay, so I'll put a little dab right there. Kind of, let's see if that looks pretty good. Kind of, maybe put a little bit on top. Stick that like that. And I put a little bit on the other little paw here. Had it kind of drapey a little bit. And cut that off. And then I put a little glue on back blank here. And looped it back up. Well, I think I did this the other way on the other one, but that's okay. I'll get some on my toothpick. So then just take the end and just kind of glue it up. Well, I cut my twine a little bit too short. I'll kind of use my little tool here to help me out, maybe not. There we go. There we go. So there is my two little paper clips of kitties. So if you want to join the Facebook group, the challenge, you can do the challenges, but to do the swap, you needed to join and start doing that by February. So it's too late to do the swap, but you can definitely do the challenge and just post your pictures on Facebook. And so I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.